welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 6 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is pronouns. So what are pronouns? First of all, let me introduce you to the pronouns. So pronouns are basically the words that are used in place of the nouns. राइट तो जो वर्ड्स हम नाउन की जगह पर यूज करते हैं उन्हें कहा जाता है प्रोनाउंस. राइट सो हियर वी हैव द डेफिनेशन ऑफ नाउन. लेट्स रीड इट. अ प्रोनाउन इज अ वर्ड used in place of a noun to avoid repetition. राइट तो प्रोनाउन एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो नाउन की जगह पर यूज किया जाता है ताकि हमें रिपीटेशन नाउन का बार बार ना करना पड़े. राइट सो नाउ दे से कंपेयर द टू पैसेजेस. तो अब जल्दी से इन पैसेजेस को आपस में कंपेयर करते हैं. राइट सो दे से रवि went to the zoo. Ravi met Ruchi. Abhay and Ruchi stood before a cage. Ravi and Ruchi saw the animals in cages. Ravi and Ruchi liked the animals very much. Ravi is a naughty boy. Ravi teased the animals. Ruchi is a good girl. Ruchi loves animals. Right? अब next paragraph पढ़ते हैं. Ravi went to the zoo. He met Ruchi. They stood before a cage. They saw the animals in cages. They liked them very much. Abhay is a naughty boy. He teases them. Anu is a good girl. She loves them. Right? So, अब बात की जाए इन वर्ड्स की जो कि यहाँ पर हाईलाइटेड है. So, जल्दी से इनके बारे में जानते हैं. The words he, they, them, she in passage 2 are used instead of nouns. तो ये जो words हैं ये passage 2 में यूज किए गए nouns की जगह पर. Such words are called pronouns. और इन्हीं words को हम pronouns के नाम से जानते हैं. Right? Now, next that we are talking about is the kinds of pronoun. तो अब जल्दी से pronoun के kinds के बारे में बात करते हैं. So, they say there are 5 main kinds of pronouns. तो total 5 तरीके के pronouns होते हैं. Right? Which is personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphasizing pronoun, relative pronoun, and possessive pronoun. Right? Now, the next thing we are talking about is a personal pronoun. Right? So, अब ये personal pronoun क्या है? ये क्यों stand लेता है? What is this? Let us know about it. The pronouns which stand for a person or a thing are called personal pronouns. तो ऐसे pronouns जो कि एक person या फिर एक thing के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं उन्हें कहा जाता है personal pronouns. So, personal pronouns are of 3 kinds. तो ये जो personal pronouns है ये total 3 तरीकों के होते हैं. Which is the first person, the second person and the third person. Right? तो अब ये जो first person है, the persons which stand for the person speaking are called pronouns of the first person, right? तो ऐसे pronouns जो कि एक person के लिए stand लेते हो, right? Speaking जो कि बोल रहा होता है, जो person बात कर रहा होता है, उसके लिए यूज़ किए जाते हो, उन्हें कहा जाता है first person as I, me, we, us, mine, our, and etc. Next is the second person. So, the person which stand for the person spoken to are called pronouns of the second person. अब ये जो pronouns हैं जो stand लेते हैं उस person के लिए जो कि बातें सुन रहा होता है उसे कहा जाता है second person, right? जैसे कि you, yours and etc. Next is the third person. So, the person which stands for the persons spoken of or about are called pronouns of the third person. अब ऐसे pronouns जो कि किसी थर्ड पर्सन के लिए स्टैंड लेते हो जिसके बारे में वो दो पर्सन बात कर रहे हो उसे कहा जाता है द थर्ड पर्सन, जैसे कि he, she, it, they, him, her, them, his, its, their, and etc. Right? Now, moving ahead, here we have the persons, the subjective case, and the possessive case. कि हर केस में हर person अलग अलग कैसे mention किया जाएगा. So just first person in singular, I, me, and mine in all the three cases, right? Next in the plural one, it is we, us, and ours. Correct? Now, moving ahead, we have the second person. In singular, it will be written as you, and yours. And in the plural forms, it will be written as you, and yours, respectively, in all the three cases, right? Next, it is third person. In singular, it can be he, she, and it. Him, her, and it. His, hers, and its. And in the plural form, it can be they, them, theirs. Right? Now, let's talk about the reflexive noun. अब ये reflexive nouns कौन से होते हैं? Let's see. Reflexive pronouns point back to the doer of an action. तो ये जो reflexive nouns होते हैं ये actually दोबारा action के doer को ही reflect करते हैं, right? So, examples are Mansi blamed herself for this loss. He always talks about himself, right? So, here we have the person and the reflexive pronoun for which it is used. So, it is I, myself, we, ourselves, you, yourself or singular, or it might be yourselves or plural. He, himself, she, herself, it, itself, they, themselves, Deepak or any name, it should be himself, or Rohani or any name should be herself, right? Next, let's move ahead. So it is emphasizing pronoun. अब ये emphasizing pronoun क्या होता है? It is pronouns which are used for the sake of emphasis are called emphasizing pronouns. तो ऐसे pronouns जो use किए जाते हैं emphasizes की sake के लिए उन्हें कहा जाता है emphasizing pronouns. Just like myself, herself, himself, yourself, ourselves, and etc. Next, again it is an example given over here. It is I myself saw him stealing your book. She herself went there, right? Now, the next one is relative pronoun. अब ये relative pronouns क्या है? Let's see. So, relative pronoun relates a noun to a group of words that follow. तो relative pronoun जो है वो relate करता है एक ऐसे noun से एक group में a group of words that follow it, right? जो कि उसे follow करता है. यानी कि जब हम एक सेंटेंस को दूसरे सेंटेंस के साथ रिलेट कर रहे हो, उन दोनों को ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, तब उसे कहा जाता है एक रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन, राइट? सो एग्जाम्पल, इट इज मिहिर सेन who crossed the Indian Ocean. Next, this is the pen which I was looking for. Whom do you want to meet? This is the boy whose brother is an IAS officer, right? Now, the next thing that is given over here is the possessive pronouns. अब ये possessive pronouns क्या होते हैं? So, possessive pronouns show possession. तो ये जो possessive pronouns हैं ये actually possession दिखाने के लिए use किए जाते हैं, right? जैसे कि examples हैं, this house is not ours, it is theirs. तो possession का मतलब होता है relationship between the two objects, या फिर हम उसे belongingness भी कह सकते हैं. Right? This umbrella is his and not hers, right? Next, here we have something to remember. Let's see what they are saying to remember. My, our, your, his, her, its, their are possessive adjectives, right? ये सभी हमारे possessive adjectives हैं. See the table to distinguish possessive pronouns from possessive adjectives. तो यहाँ पर हमें एक टेबल दिया हुआ है जिसमें हमें डिफरेंस दिखाया गया है possessive adjective और एक possessive pronoun के बीच में. जल्दी से इस टेबल को पढ़ते हैं. This pronoun, possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. So, it is I, my, and mine. We, our, ours. You, your, and yours. He, his, his. She, her, hers. They, their, theirs. Right? So, again we have a point to remember. Let's say when they are telling us a possessive adjective will always come before a noun. कि एक possessive adjective हमेशा एक noun से पहले use किया जाएगा. Right? So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the nouns as well as its kinds. So that was all from my side. And we are going to begin with the practice worksheet of this, right? So let's begin with the very first exercise that says multiple choice questions or MCQs, right? So it is, there are dash main kinds of pronoun. तो total कितने kinds of pronouns होते हैं? And the options are 3, 4 or 5. So as we all know that there are totally 5 kinds of pronouns. So we'll write 5 over here. Then next is personal pronouns are of dash types. कि personal pronouns कितने types के हैं? So it is, the options are 2, 3 or 4 and the correct option is 3. So we'll write 3 over here. Next, myself is dash pronoun. Myself जो है वो कौन से kind का pronoun है? And the options are personal, reflexive or collective. We all know that the correct option is reflexive. So as we all know that myself is the kind of reflexive pronoun. Right? Next, there is dash pronoun. And the options are personal, reflexive or possessive. So it is a kind of possessive pronoun. So we'll write possessive over here. Clear? Then moving ahead to the next exercise, it is fill in the blanks with suitable reflexive pronouns. तो अब हमें इन blanks में reflexive pronoun भरना है, right? So let's see. What are the statements? It says, you should avail dash of this golden opportunity. You should avail yourself of this golden opportunity. Right? Next, he dash narrated the whole incident. He himself narrated the whole incident. Right? Next, the house was very old. It collapsed by itself. Right? Next, the thief dash confessed to his guilt. The thief himself confessed to his guilt. Correct? Next, the king dash gave me this reward. The king himself gave me this reward. Clear? So it was very simple, right? Moving ahead to the next exercise that says pick out the personal pronouns in the following sentences. तो अब हमें इन sentences में से जो personal pronouns हैं उनको निकालना है, ढूंढना है. So it says obey your seniors, right? So your is the personal pronoun in this sentence. Next, we should speak the truth. So we is the correct one. We found him in the market. So there are two, we and him. Right? Next, our team won the game. So our is the personal pronoun over here. Then next, my dog loves me. So my and me both are the personal pronouns over here. Clear? Next, moving ahead to the next exercise that says fill in the blanks with relative pronouns. तो अब जल्दी से इन ब्लैंक्स को भरते हैं relative pronouns की मदद से. So it says the girl dash stands first gets a scholarship. The girl who stands first gets the scholarship. Next, she is the person dash is to blame. She is the person whom is to blame. Right? Next, he is the actor dash films are box office hits. Whose films are box office hits. Right? Then, is this the iPod dash your father gifted you on your birthday? Which your father gifted you on your birthday. Right? Next, I like stories dash I have happy endings. So, it is I like stories that have happy endings. Right? Next, this is the girl dash father helps the needy man. Whose father helped the needy man. Right? Next, he narrated a story dash was pathetic. Right? He narrated a story which was pathetic. Next, it was my friend dash helped me a lot. It was my friend who helped me a lot. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.